Hello all, welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a Thanksgiving budget haul, and I will let y'all know the prices of everything and my total that I spent. Some things I have on hand, so I did not include that because I'm sure that some people will have that in their home. So we're going to start over here. We have fresh green beans, cornbread, 1 onion, we have cream of chicken and cream of celery, we have turkey gravy, cream cheese, celery, cornbread stuffing mix, ground cinnamon, imitation vanilla, turkey gravy, if I didn't say that, brown sugar, sweet potatoes, red potatoes, and we have chicken legs and chicken thighs. If you like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel, seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our Thanksgiving budget series. Hello, my Southern Flavor crew. Welcome back to the Southern Flavor channel, where everything we make is full of flavor, baby. Today's video will be part 5 to our Thanksgiving budget series, and we'll be making cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes. And here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have our potatoes, butter, cream cheese, garlic, salt, black pepper, and milk. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Also, please hype this video up. Hype me up. Let's get into our cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes video. Alright, my flavor squad. So, we have our red potatoes that we washed off and cleaned. We're going to simply cut these up, and we're going to put them in our pot and begin to boil. So we have our red potatoes cut up. We're going to move over to the stove. Okay, so we're going to go in with our water. And we're going to salt our water heavy. We don't want no bland taters. So we have it on a high. We're going to go ahead and add our red potatoes into our water. And we're going to boil these until they fork tender. Alright, my flavor squad. So our red potatoes had started to boil. We're going to continue to let them boil until they fork tender. And when they become fork tender, we'll move on to the next step for our cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes recipe. Alright, my flavor squad. So our potatoes are done boiling. We have them in our bowl here. We're going to smash them. Alright, so into our potatoes, we're going to add 1 stick of butter. We're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to get us a mix.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see.
Alright, so we got our cream cheese and our butter in there. We're about to move on to the next step, so y'all stay tuned. So we back. We're going to add a little bit of whole milk into our cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes. And we're going to slowly add it until we get to the consistency we like.
So give me something for the pain. I want to lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye.
Alright, so we're going to go in with some seasoning. We're going to go in with some black pepper. Garlic powder. Salt. And some mixed garlic. We're going to mix this in. Alright, so we gave it a taste. We're going to add a little bit more garlic powder. And a little bit more salt.
Someone now help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling.
So this would be our cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes. Alright, my flavor squad. So this will end this video of our cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes. Also, the southern green beans and the cream cheese garlic mashed potatoes will be a collab with Miss Lena, and her link will be in the description box. So I'm gonna show y'all what everything looked like at the end of my yams video. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.